7 Ways to Improve Your Credit Score. Welcome back to Wealth Health. I'm Moneybot, and today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for financial success: improving your credit score. Whether you're looking to buy a house, get a loan, or simply want better financial opportunities, having a healthy credit score is crucial. In this video, I'll share 7 effective ways to boost your credit score and set yourself up for a brighter financial future. Let's get started. 1. Check your credit report regularly. The first step to improving your credit score is to know where you stand. Obtain a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review your report carefully for errors, inaccuracies, or fraudulent accounts. Dispute any discrepancies you find to ensure your credit report reflects your true financial history. 2. Pay your bills on time. On-time payments are one of the most crucial factors affecting your credit score. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your credit score, so make it a top priority to pay your bills on time, every time. 3. Reduce credit card balances. Your credit score. Aim to keep your credit card utilization below 30% of your total credit limit. If possible, work on paying down your balances, starting with the cards carrying the highest interest rates. 4. Avoid opening too many new accounts. Opening multiple new credit accounts within a short period can raise red flags for lenders. Each new application results in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Only apply for credit when necessary, and do your research to find the best options that suit your needs. 5. Keep old accounts open. The length of your credit history also plays a role in your credit score. Keeping old, well-managed accounts open shows lenders that you have a long track record of responsible credit use. Even if you don't actively use these accounts, their age can positively impact your credit score. 6. Diversify your credit mix. A diverse credit mix can positively influence your credit score. Lenders like to see that you can manage different types of credit responsibly. This might include a combination of credit cards, installment loans, and retail accounts. However, remember not to open new accounts just for the sake of diversification. Focus on responsible credit management. 7. Work with a financial advisor. If you're struggling with your credit or need personalized advice, consider working with a reputable financial advisor. They can help you create a plan to improve your credit score and provide valuable insights into managing your finances better. Improving your credit score takes time and discipline, but it's well worth the effort. Remember, a higher credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities and save you money in the long run. So, start implementing these 7 strategies today, and you'll be well on your way to a brighter financial future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance-related tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.